Ka St. Anthony's kala yora ateli kinam lakdo, but kawai kanam lakdo baar, haka 29th inter-school, but 11th inter-college karate tournament arajar pulai, kabala poi syaka bakut haka khat khandai tarik nailar, ha MP Hall, Sai, STC Nehu, Shillong. Ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School kala yora yaka Boys School Team Champions, rengkat kanam lakdo baar ka St. Anthony's Lower Primary School, but kala yora ru yaka nam lakdo haka College Team Champions. Ka Shillong College kalawan baar naki college kat banaki Girls School Team Champions Trophy lara da ka OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School baar ka Providence School. Ya kane ka Lumpung lapelong da ka All Meghalaya Karate Do Association kabala kersyan da ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. Kala sedang nadu kat nyau taring unailar. Haka singi penkut ladon lang Working President Meghalaya State Olympics Association Uba John F. Karsing, Yan Campbell ulam kemat ya kajing hikai pentebin, ya ki kena ya lekai atlet, haka program kabala tip kum ka Elite Pathway Program, Robert Kambas unong ya lekai Olympics but Commonwealth Games, haka jing raknar ka weightlifting. Kiwe hibayadon lang ki Day General Secretary MSOA ba Finely L. Parian, Assistant Director of Sports and Youth Affairs ba Paya Biwar Nongbri. Haka ni kakenti, kidon haduk palat sans pangut kidon yalek kai karate, na ki nyopong teli ki school ban hendriu teli ki college, kibaya shimbenta haka komite sparing, bat kata kaji yalek kai da kabapen ine demonstration.